What's going on, guys? Chandler come back at you from EzStocks here. Today, just another portfolio review for you. Right now, you guys can see that 1 month chart. If you guys watched the last video, you know where we started off. Again, I did add around $4,000 into my account this week, so technically we're around like $20,000 or so. I put it all into DraftKings, which I'll be showing you guys here in a second. But again, this is our 1 month chart. We're up around 70%. Today, we're having a little bit of a red day, which we'll get into here in a moment. This week, we're up about 31%, so not too bad at all. Technically, it started on the 31st, was the Monday, so still around a 20% gain, which is not bad at all. And that 20% gain just came in basically from yesterday. We had our biggest day ever, or my biggest day ever. We were up over $5,000 at one point yesterday, around that 130. But that was short-lived. Now onto our one-day chart here. Again, we start off pretty good. We were up to 2,700, which was awesome. And we had our tech stocks and everything go down, and it actually went down all the way down to 22,000, which obviously doesn't feel good. But now it's on the climb back up, and now theta is going to start to set in here as my stocks start to go flat. But without further ado, again, I'm not afraid to show you my wins or my losses, which I'm showing you right now. And just to recap on the day, I did end up positive over $2,900, around 11% today. But let's go ahead and get into what we got so far. All right, guys. So our first play here was a Lululemon put credit spread. I want this to go down as low as it can, down to 30, which when it does, we're going to be collecting a good chunk of money. Around $500 there. Next up, we got our Lululemon put or call credit debit spreads now. This one is a little bit concerning. I believe Lulu's sitting around 395-ish. It was down, and you see why it dropped today, but now it's back up. So again, this is one of those ones. It can get there by next week. I'm just hoping that it gets there by Friday so I can get that nice juicy payout. It's going to be around a $1,000 something gain if that can happen. All right, third up, we got Team, T-E-A-M. Again, right now, looking at the chart, it's had pretty steady growth. Today is going to be a downtrend day for sure. Not really sure if I want to continue to hold on to this. I may sell out today, but yeah, we won't know until next week. Next up, we got Square. I actually have 3 squares. I have a put credit spread, which is right here around that 160. I have a call debit spread, and then just a straight up call. So this puts credit spread, again, if we take a look at Square, it's a 160, 157. It's chilling pretty close to it, a 161. Again, right now, I guess the week chart is better. I had this huge run up yesterday. I really thought it was just going to continue to bounce up along with all the other tech, but just like all the other tech, today is kind of a down day. So we're still not 100% worried about this. I feel like it's going to recover tomorrow and into Friday. Again, keep your eye on Square as a long-term growth. It's a great stock, up 22% this month and up 79% the past 3 months. All right, next up here, we got Triple Q or QQQ. I just love saying the name QQQ. Anyways, going on to QQQ, we got another call debit spread. Right now, it's still at $300. So we're just waiting for that theta. If it stays at 300 right now, we'll be fine. We'll collect the full payout of it. Right now, we got a total return around 60%. We're looking to get around that 85, 90% before we hop out. All right, next up here, this is one of my better plays so far. I cashed out a lot of plays yesterday, and that's why we had that huge spike up. We gained around $5,000 yesterday, which is actually insane. That's the most I've gained ever in a single day. And this one, there's only a little bit left to squeeze out. We're at 86%. Once it gets down to 0, I'm just going to let this expire. So I just want to squeeze out the full premium out of this. All right, so moving into our regular stocks here, nothing really changes in here. This is all the same as last week. The only thing that I added, I mentioned this at the beginning, is I got 100 shares of DraftKings. DraftKings is one of those stocks with sports betting just becoming more and more public and available in all those states. Really like this stock. We're up around $252 today, 6% overall. This is one of those stocks I'm going to hold on like it's an Apple and hold on for a couple years until all those states have everything, because I truly believe this is the best sports betting app there is. FanDuel is another good one, but DraftKings just is kind of like Robinhood. Like, no one really is as good as DraftKings. So that's why I'm holding this one. And that just about wraps up our portfolio for this week. Nothing else really changes. Here are my other stocks if you want to take a peek at them. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we can get back up to this 2,600, 2,700 by the end of the week. I have faith. I hope you do too. Good luck trading, everyone. Have a good day. Peace out.